How to change name on your Facebook. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you guys can change your name on Facebook. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. First step, open up your Facebook app. Make sure you're logged in into your account. Then you can now head over to the menu option on the bottom right. After you're there, tap on the settings icon on the top right. Now head over to Meta's Account Center. Tap on See More. After you're here, tap on your Profiles option. Then choose your Facebook profile. After you've done that, here you will find your Facebook profile and there you'll also find your name. Tap on your name, and now if you want to change it to whatever you want, you can simply remove or edit it. After that, you can tap on Review Changes and then tap on Save Changes. After that, you'll have changed your name on your Facebook. And yeah, that's basically it. As you can see, there is a note that says you won't be able to change your name within 60 days again. So if you want to change it back or change it again, you'll have to wait for 60 days. And that's all for today's video. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more and bye bye.